Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A modern, serene courtyard scene featuring a beautifully designed open space that seamlessly blends nature with architecture. The setting showcases a stylish outdoor lounge area with a light gray sectional sofa and a round wooden coffee table adorned with small potted plants. Lush greenery surrounds the space, with a backdrop of a textured brick wall and a staircase leading upwards, creating depth. A tranquil pond with floating lily pads adds a calming element, reflecting the vibrant greens. The interior, visible through large glass panels, features warm, natural wood tones and minimalistic furniture, bathed in soft, diffused sunlight. Emphasize a hyperrealistic aesthetic with rich detailing in the textures of the materials, vibrant colors of the plants, and the interplay of light and shadows throughout the scene. A tranquil urban garden scene featuring a modern outdoor lounge area. The setting includes a plush, white sectional sofa with soft, striped pillows arranged around a sleek, rectangular table topped with various small plants. The flooring is a polished light gray stone, accentuated by patches of vibrant green turf. In the background, lush greenery encompasses the space with tall, neatly trimmed shrubs and ferns, while slender trees add height and natural elements. The walls are adorned with horizontal wooden slats, providing a warm contrast against the cool tones of the stone and foliage. The overall atmosphere is serene and inviting, blending natural beauty with contemporary design, illuminated by soft, diffused lighting filtering through the leaves. Color palette dominated by greens, whites, and warm browns, evoking a peaceful, relaxing ambience. Hyperrealistic style. A serene outdoor urban garden, featuring a modern architectural home with large glass doors that open onto a spacious patio. The setting is lush and green, highlighted by meticulously manicured plants and trees, creating a tranquil oasis. The color palette includes soft earth tones, vibrant greens, and touches of warm wood, with polished gray stone pathways leading to a contemporary dining area, which has sleek wooden furniture. In the background, a stylish lounge area is adorned with modern outdoor sofas and a small fire pit, surrounded by greenery. The scene conveys a hyper-realistic aesthetic, emphasizing crisp details, natural light filtering through the leaves, and a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. A serene modern garden scene, showcasing a bright and inviting outdoor space. The setting features a well-manicured lawn with vibrant greenery, including various tropical plants and colorful flowers. A stylish hanging chair made of woven material is positioned to the left, adding an element of comfort. In the background, a contemporary dining area is visible through large glass doors, emphasizing an open and airy ambience. The color palette includes earthy tones of greens and browns, complemented by splashes of floral colors from the surrounding plants. The stone path meanders through the lush grass, leading to a cozy wooden bench, creating a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Playful sunlight filters through the leaves, casting gentle shadows on the ground, evoking a hyper-realistic aesthetic with intricate details and a tranquil atmosphere.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.